जय हिंद दोस्तों. So today we are starting for the practice at 2.6 question number 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the at the same spot. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 km then per hour. Find the speed of the water current, right? So first one, now let speed of water current is equal to x km per hour and speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour, right? After that, then the speed of the downstream. It means like whenever you throw that outside, so you go directly basis, right? And now same position, you go upside, you come upside. Now you take the energy, right? You lost of energy, so now use of the negative, and you throw for the directly use of positive, right? Same apply here. Then the speed of the boat downstream now is equal to 12 plus x km per hour, and then the speed of the boat upstream is equal to 12 minus x km per hour. Then after that 36 use of the reciprocal travel is there, so kilometer per hour is there, so 36 and this for is hour 12 plus x and 36 12 minus x, and both the at the same travel 8, right? After that do calculation for the both the side. Now plus 12 plus x, so get multiply 12 minus x, 12 minus x, and same other side 12 plus x, 12 plus x, right? Now take the common 12 minus x and 36 12 plus x, and now both are the similar, right? Only one time is equal to 8. After that they will be do cross multiplication, and 36 write as it is, take a 36 common, and this one write as it is. Then after that open the bracket is equal to 8, and this for use of the formula a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, right? Then what next one? 36 multiplied 24, 12 plus 12 is equal to 24, then 8, 144 minus x square is equal to get multiply 864, and now 1152 and 8x square. This one get subtracting is equal to right. Then after minus get cancel and 8 get multiply. Then use of the subtracting, use of division. Then 36 x square. After that x square is equal to 36, taking square root on both the side, x is equal to plus minus 6. Then x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 6. But the speed of the boat cannot be negative, right? Then x is equal to minus 6 is not acceptable, and x is equal to 6. The speed of the water current is 6 km per hour. बहुत easy क्वेश्चन था. अप स्ट्रीम एंड डाउन स्ट्रीम मोस्टली इसके रिलेटेड में आप देखेंगे क्वेश्चन बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया है तो आप एक बार वीडियो को अगेन पॉज करके फिर प्ले करके आप देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. नहीं अदरवाइज़ एक सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में हमने सॉल्व किए हैं, उससे भी आपको समझ में आएगा. जय हिंद दोस्तों.